Hi friends, in the last session we have discussed that modules concept, right? We have started that modules concept and we have observed what is module and how we can do module programs. Some of we have observed, right? As part of in the last session. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about module aliasing and various possibilities of import statement and member aliasing. Okay, member aliasing and reloading of a module. Okay, these concepts we have to learn today. Okay, friends, please subscribe to my channel if you are watching my channel for the first time. Okay, so it gives me more encouragement and I will create more videos on technical. Okay, so with respect to in the last session, so let me remind one more time and the next I will start for the today session. Okay, first observe here what is module means. Module means a group of function, variables and classes saved to a file which is nothing but module. Okay, first module means a group of functions, variables and classes saved to a file which is nothing but a module. Module means every Python file, .py file extension is nothing but what we can say module. .py extension. Okay, Python file .py file extension acts as a module. Okay, suppose assume here I'm taking a scimath.py file. In that I'm taking variable and two functions. I'm taking one variable and two functions. Okay, so from here what I'm doing means from main test.py file. Okay, from main test.py file I'm trying to add. Okay, I'm trying to get the value of scimath. Okay, I'm importing scimath and that I'm calling in this way. So everywhere I'm getting the result and there is no any issue. But suppose here from SciMath I'm importing only the value of x. Okay, I'm importing the value of x means only we will get the value of x. But if you are asking SciMath dot add means that time it is going to give error. Okay, because SciMath you are getting only the variable x, not addition and subtraction. Okay, not addition and product. Any function you are not calling. And in the next session, in the next example, I'm taking here add. Okay, here add I'm taking. So in this case I'm getting the result. Okay, from scimath import x. Okay, from scimath import x. So what happened here? Okay, from scimath import x comma add. Okay, so by using this one also here if you observe here I'm getting error. Why? Because from SciMath you are importing add, but you are asking on the original module you are calling the addition function, so that's why it is giving error, right? So this is the one. Next, on the module if you are importing only two functions, if you call that a function directly, that time it will give the result and there is no any issue in the output. Okay, that time it is there is no any issue in the output, right? So now today we are going to discuss about module aliasing. That means renaming a module at the time of import. Okay, module aliasing or renaming. Okay, renaming of a module. Okay, renaming of a module at the time of import. At the time of import, renaming of a module at the time of import. That we can say as module aliasing. Okay, module aliasing. Clear? So renaming of a module at the time of import. So we can say R module aliasing. Okay, module aliasing. Clear? Observe here module aliasing means module aliasing. First here let me take the example ideally. And here one more time file I'm taking test.py. Okay, both I'm taking here, both I'm taking. So observe the output now. I'm going to import SciMath. Okay, I'm going to import SciMath as X. Okay, SciMath as S. Sorry, S. Okay, whenever you are asking SciMath as a, so this is nothing but what? Aliasing. Okay, this is nothing but what? Aliasing. We are creating another name. Okay, we are creating another name. Now observe here, I'm asking the variable s dot x. S dot x means we'll get the triple eight, and s dot add means it is going to get the result of addition. Okay, observe the result here. Now we are getting the result. There is no any problem. But observe here, after I'm taking that result, after I'm taking getting the result, now what I'm doing means now what I'm doing here means print star into 20. Okay, just for designing purpose. Next here what I'm doing means print of, okay, print of SciMath dot, okay, not required, right? SciMath dot add. Okay, SciMath dot add. SciMath dot add of 10 comma 20. So observe carefully. In this case, we'll get the error. Okay, in this case, we will get the error. In this case, we will get the error. Why we will get the error means on SciMath, you are giving nickname as S. So wherever S is there, so it's going to use that variable. But if you are asking SciMath, so it is mentioned, but you are giving nickname. Once you given the nickname, it will forget the original name. Okay, it will forget the original name. Even though SciMath is available, but you are given the nickname. So once you given the nickname, it will Python will forget the original name. Python will forget the original name, just like Gajni. Okay. So observe here, it will give the error. SciMath is not defined. Okay, SciMath is not defined. Why it is not defined? Because the original one you have already given as what? Original one you have already given as a nickname. Okay, once you given the nickname, so it will response with the nickname only, not with the original name. Okay, syntax, not syntax. Let me write some points here. Syntax. Import math as x. Okay, import math as x. Okay, here point number one. Here sci math as original name. Okay, sci math as original name, and s is the nickname. S is the nickname or alias name. Okay, once we given nickname, once we given nickname, once we given nickname or alias name, once we give nickname or alias name, it is it will respond. Okay, respond it will respond only with the it will respond only with the it will respond only with what? Nickname, not original name. That means we can access, okay, we can access members, okay, members of module. Okay, we can access members of module by using nickname only, nickname or alias name. Clear? So this is nothing but what? renaming of a module at the time of import. Renaming of a module what at the time of import. Clear, right? So S, it will respond with S only. But if you are taking Sai math means it is going to give error. Clear? So this is nothing but what renaming of a module at the time of import. Next, from dot import. Okay, from import. From import. So from import means I'm using, but I didn't explain this point. Let me explain now. Observe the point well now. What I'm doing here, from SciMath import, okay, from SciMath import as x. Okay, from SciMath import x comma add. So from SciMath import as x comma add. Whenever whenever you are taking, okay, whenever you are taking x comma add in this way, it will respond, okay, it will respond only with this name. Okay, it will respond only with this name on this module what are available. As we know, in the SciMath what are available, x variable and addition function and product. Okay, these three only are available in SciMath.py. One is x equals to 888 addition function and product. Only these three functions. Okay, from these three functions, if you are SciMath from that module, you are asking only two members. Okay, now this it will respond only two members. Okay, now it will respond only two members. Observe here the point well. Observe the output. Okay, sorry. Import x comma addition. Okay, if you observe here, we are getting the result, but it is giving error SciMath dot add of error. Why? SciMath is not defined. Why it is not defined? We are importing, but from that we are getting only specific members only. We are getting specific members only, right? We are getting specific members only. Getting my point, right? This is what I want to say. This is example one. Okay, this is example one. Observe my points clearly. And a second example. A second example. From SciMath, I'm asking specific members. But if you want all, okay, if you want all means directly you can ask. Directly you can ask that product star. Okay, from SciMath import star 10 comma 20. Okay, 10 comma 20. See, observe here run module. If you observe here the product 200 sum and we are getting. Why? Because why we are getting here, we are taking only, okay, here we are taking only what star. So star means from this module, okay, from this module what are the functions variables are available that are by default available to this module without any problem. Okay, without any problem. Clear? This is nothing but what a second example. Okay, this is nothing but what a second example. In the same way, observe here one more point. I want to highlight one more point. But I'm asking star. Okay, I'm asking star. I want to Sai math. Okay, I want to add a Sai math dot product. Make sure in this phase we are going to get error again. In this case, we are going to get error. Why we are getting? So star means it will we can access all members. We can access all members. But we can access all members. But why you are taking this one? Why you are giving this module? Okay, why you are giving this module? Already from SciMath I'm taking, it is getting all. So when you are getting all, why you are mentioning again here? So in that way it will get confused and it's going to give error. SciMath is not defined. Observe here, Psi math is not defined. Clear? So in this way it is going to consider. Okay, in this way it is going to consider. So this is the importance of from dot import. This is the importance of from dot import. Clear? Clear, right? So this is nothing but what module aliasing and from import. From import. Now observe here next point, various possibilities. Okay, various possibilities of import. Various possibilities of import. Okay, observe carefully various possibilities of import. Based on my theory from yesterday session and today session, I will write some statements you have to confirm. Import module name. Okay, import module name. Import module name means it is correct. Okay, let me write all points first. Import module 1 comma module 2 comma module 3. Module 3. Next, import module 1 as m. Okay, next, import module 1 as m1 comma module 2 as m2 comma module 3 as m3. Module 3 as m3. Next, from import from import okay from module import star from module import star from module import member comma member 2 member 1 comma member 2. Next point, from module okay from module import member 1 as x. Next, from module import okay from module import member. Okay, only one member I'm taking. Okay, these all are possible ways of import statement. Okay, these all are what possible ways of import statement. Okay, this is the correct one. Only we are importing module. Here we are taking importing three modules by using comma. This is also correct. Importing module as m1. So once you given the nickname alias name, so it will respond with the alias name only, not with the original name. Remember carefully. Once you given nickname or alias name for the original one, so it will respond with the alias name only, not with the original name. So in next here I'm taking three modules and I'm giving alias name for the three modules. And here from module import star means how many modules, how many are available in this module. By default all are available. From the module import member 1 member 2 means only these are available. Once you are using the members, okay, once you are using the members, you have to directly you have to use the member, don't use the module. It will give error. It will give error. From module import member 1 as x. Okay, from module import member 1. Okay, we are exporting this member 1 and giving this x. This giving as x means alias name. Once you given this one, it will respond with the alias name only, not with the original name. You have to use this one only. And from module import member. Okay, directly I'm importing only one member from the module, right? This is nothing but what module aliasing. Okay, this is nothing but what module aliasing. Clear? This is nothing but what module aliasing. Clear? Any questions or any doubts, please post your query in the comment section. Okay, please post your query in the comment section or reach out to my email ID in the given description. Okay, this is nothing but what various possibilities of import statement. Okay, in the next session, I'm going to explain about member aliasing and reloading of a module. Okay, in the next session, I'm going to explain about member aliasing and reloading of a module. So, by using these two concepts, we can say module aliasing is different and member aliasing is different. Okay, module aliasing is different and member aliasing is different. Clear? So, thank you, friends. This is what I want to explain in this session. So, in the next session, I'm going to explain member aliasing and reloading of a module and finding members of module by using specific dir function. Okay, specific by using dir function. Okay. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel if you are watching my channel for the first time. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching.